Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect a battery tender to your BMW. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, behind me is my 2014 BMW M6 competition. I was overseas for 6 weeks, and when I returned to the US, I got the low battery warning. So I was like, oh my goodness. Well, some of you who own a BMW, like the BMW M series or M5 and other BMW series, will get this low battery warning light in the dashboard, okay? If you haven't driven the car for a while. And in this case, I will show you today how to connect a battery tender to your BMW. The thing is, if the warning light is still there, you can still connect a battery tender or main tender to your BMW. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Here we go. First of all, you have to connect the battery tender. In this case, I use the Hawkman. It's really nice, this one. I just have to set it up to like 12 volts because this is a 12 volts battery. And then look at that, it's maintaining. It was really low at 11 something, and then now it's going up to 12.6, and soon it'll be like around 13, which is gonna be really full. So what you want to do, you want to plug it into the electric socket, and then it's really easy. Okay, if you open your engine hood or engine bonnet, you have to locate the positive terminal, which is right here. Just flip it open and plug the positive port on that positive terminal, and then the negative will be somewhere around here. See, like that one. Sometimes they put it on this side, like there, but on my M6 they put it right there. So this is the negative right there. So that's it, and you just have to wait until it's full. But if you are really gonna go somewhere for a long time, it is safe to just and then you just click OK. There you go. Now you start recharging now and maintaining your battery. So before you even go on a trip, what happened? I forgot. So now I have to do it right now. I have to connect it. But before you go on a long trip, it's best to just connect this to that, so when you come back, the battery won't be dead. Yeah, this is how you do it. Make sure you locate the positive terminal and the negative terminal, and connect the positive, the red cable, and the negative is the black cable to the negative terminal. Okay, so yeah, it's very simple, guys. So that's all there is to it. And make sure you monitor this battery level. Make sure it's really full. Okay, I'll be back. Everyone, that's all there is to it. It's really easy to connect a battery tender and battery maintainer to your BMW when the battery is low. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.